Hello everyone, I'm Peter. In this video, I'm going to unbox a new smartwatch. It is the Kiwitime X3 Pro smartwatch. Firstly, let's open the box. Inside we see the watch. It is a round watch. And then it has two bands, one silicone and one leather band. And then the charger and the menu, and finally a certificate. This watch is around 46mm in the size, and we can see that in the outside there is a circle and there are some printing. And this side it has two buttons, and at the back here is the microphone and the speaker. Now let's power on the watch. Firstly, let's check the watch faces. We can rotate to change. It has totally 5 built-in watch faces, but it can also add extra watch face and it can customize watch face through the app. And then let's check the quick actions from the top to the bottom. It has several pages, and the bottom to the top, and from the left to the right, and the right to the left. We can also add extra components, and we can hold the screen to remove the component. And we can click this button to go to the main menu. We can see that the watch is very smooth. And we can double click to change the menu style. It has totally 5 menu styles inside the watch. And we can have a quick check on the functions. This watch also has the always on display function. It will go to this watch face when we do not touch the screen. So do you like this watch? Above is all our details. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.